Welcome back to another video, Learn Machines. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new way to make $100 per day the easy way. And it requires no money to get started. And all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. I'm sure you got both of those things if you're watching this video. You should only take like 10 minutes, 20 minutes of work per day towards this, and you're going to make upwards of $100 plus. Smash that like button, and then you will know how to do this simple method step by step. And I'm even going to give you a real example that you could use this strategy on. If you're ready, smash that like button, and let's go!
$100 a day! Okay, guys. $100 a day is very possible with this method. This is one of the easiest methods I've ever come across, so here we go. If we look at this, if you want to make $100 per day, it's very easy, man. Like, you could do it in your sleep, make money in your sleep, and build up the passive income very, very easily. In fact, you could do this method just selling stuff like affiliate offers, okay? Okay, you could just promote random affiliate offers. I make $100 I probably made $100 just literally in the first beginning few seconds of this video. I'm serious. Because affiliate income, you could do CPA marketing. CPA marketing, those are just cost per action marketing offers. So easy to promote. I mean, I make $100,000 plus a month just doing that. You could make an ebook. Okay, you could make an ebook. You could make a course. You could do a service. You could do all sorts of stuff. Okay. Now, how do you get traffic to people for that stuff? Okay, right there. How do you do that? The answer is simple. Okay. You could do things like Instagram, things like Facebook, stuff like that. Okay. Instagram, Facebook, you could do YouTube. Okay. Those three will make you racks. Okay. Just those three alone will make you money. Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube equals money right here, bro. Money. Okay. You could make easily 50 grand. Okay, doing this method, okay? Just a chunk of money, okay? But how do you do that? How do you do that? So let's talk about that for a minute. It's very simple. All you gotta do is do content creation, okay? You can do paid ads, but this is a method for $100 per day. You could do paid ads, but this is for $100, okay? And $100 is very easy to make money online with. If you've never made money online ever before, if you've never made money doing anything entrepreneurial or anything like that, this method works, and it works extremely well. This is you. You're making a bunch of content, okay? You're making content, blah, 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 okay? And it adds up. So let's say you make 30 videos, okay? And you post these videos onto YouTube and you upload them to Facebook. No Instagram. You decide, oh, I hate Instagram, blah, 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 okay? So you do that. And what happens, okay, is these videos get pushed out there to people interested in these videos, naturally. Just naturally. You don't even need to do paid ads, okay? It's really cool. We live in a day and age where it's easy to make freaking money, okay? So, all you gotta do is you make this content. You should do how-to content. You should do vlog-style content. You should do listicle content. You could do story, sit-down content, or just rants, okay? You could do all of that, okay? Now, all of those videos will get views. Some will perform better than others. You should double down on whatever does best, okay? Now, they're going to get views. At the same time, you're linking to products to sell, okay, in the description of your videos right here. This is the money description of every video, okay? It's squiggly lines. In the description box of your freaking Facebook videos and your YouTube videos, you put links to stuff that you're selling that gives more value to people in whatever niche you're doing. Let's say you're in the cooking niche, okay? You're making like how to cook a freaking brisket, okay, videos. And you get 1 million views on a video. Okay, that's 1 million people. And if you do it right, I mean, they're gonna check out the description. And if you have good, high converting stuff down below, you have an ebook, you have a course, you have all these things, okay? And affiliate offers and pills, Nutra offers. And I mean, you make a lot of money per 1,000 views. So if you divide by 1 million, 1,000 views, that's 1,000 in total times whatever your CPM is. On average, how much you make per 1,000 people who see that video. So you got 1 million viewed video. Let's say on average you made $50 in whatever cooking niche you're doing. Let's say you're doing cooking niche, health niche, whatever. Okay, let's say you're in the cooking niche. Based off of what your knowledge is of how much money you make per 1,000 people, let's say you make $20, okay, per 1,000 people, including the links in the description and your AdSense revenue, okay? So you made $20,000, okay, from 1 million viewed video, okay? Good for you, okay? That's very easy to do in bigger niches, by the way. But the thing is, you gotta make content around what you're an expert at or what you're interested in doing or whatever you just want to talk about. The point is, you have so much content that's added up, okay? Like, it's added up over time, just tons. And what happens is all these videos are now assets working for you 24/7. I hate the green marker. It's hard to see. And all these videos add up, they make you money, bro. Like, so much money. Okay, you see that? And they make you money passively with AdSense, passively getting you new true fans, people who want to buy anything that you promote to them. And then it gets you just constant sales of whatever you have in the description of your videos. I mean, it's crazy, okay? Now, $100 a day is very doable. You could have a $100 offer. Okay, it could be a course, an ebook, or an affiliate offer in general. $100 a day, so simple. You could do it in 1 month, build up an income stream that's $100 to $500 to thousands of dollars per day. Okay, it's just about the quality of the content and how likable the content is. Okay, and like I said, you could do this method with Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, you could do this. Okay, you're gonna make a lot of money, very easily. This is so easy. Okay. I mean, anyone could do this. And I'll see you guys in more videos. Peace out, learning machines.